Well, so first what I have done is I have written one program. This is the basic program which I am writing into this. And after writing these programs, now I wanted to run this program. So in order to run the program, first we will open the command prompt. Here I'm just clicking on start and opening the CMD command prompt. I am opening here. This is the command prompt which I have opened here. Well, after opening this command prompt, we just need to go into that corresponding directory. So the first, what I am just going to write here is first E drive. I am going, we are there in the E drive. Here you can see that is the, we are there into the E drive. After E drive, now I am giving that folder location. This is the folder location which I have given here now. So now at present, we are there in the core Java program folder. हम लोग कहाँ पे हैं अब? Core Java program folder पे हैं, right? Now, very first thing is that when we wanted to compile any program, very first thing that in order to compile any program, what we should do is that we should access the file name. What we should access? We should access the file name which is available there. Okay. So I am just going to take down the file name here. So under this now here, well, so I'll do one thing here. What is that I'm going to do now? I'm writing Java C. I'm writing here Java C. So see, in order to compile the program, you must have to give Java C and then corresponding file name. What is that corresponding file name I'm going to give now? Hello.java I'm going to give the file name by which you have saved your program. Well, so I'm writing here Java C hello.java. I'm just saving and writing the program. Well, now I'm compiling this program here. Now after successful compilation, we are getting, if there is no error, then again I am writing this program and we are getting some output again into this. What output we got here? We have got some set of outputs here. The output what I am getting here is the main in hello and welcome to the JDBC. This is what two outputs I was expecting into that. Well, now let's say that when I wanted to compile this program, I'm just using an option called as the verbose option. I'm using just for compilation of the program. Well, after compilation of a program, I'm just giving here something. You see here you are getting some set of outputs, and in that corresponding set of outputs you are getting a lots of thing into this. Well, so I'm just explaining you what all different options and things which you are going to get into this. Well, one second. Here I'm once again compiling it. So see, once when I have compiled it here, it is showing the different modules options since we are using Java 9. So if we are using Java 9, it is showing something different kinds of concepts and different ways of compilation the program it is showing it. What you have to do is install JDK 1.8 in your system and try to run the program by using JDK 1.8. You will find a lots of difference in this compilation process when you are doing, that is the verbose options into this, right? So you must have to see that all options into this and what all different things are coming and how it is going to work in that. Everything you just need to say here. Well, in that case now, what you have done now? Once you have compiled the program, after successful compilation of a program, what you are getting now? You are getting hello.class. What is that you are getting? Hello.class. If you will find here, which is the hello.class we are getting here. Hello.class. Here is the hello.class we are getting. We will call this particular one as an byte code. What we are going to call this one as an byte code we are calling. This particular one which again I am writing is the byte code again as I am writing into this. Well, okay. After writing the byte code, so see, when you are compiling the program, जब भी आप program को compile कर रहे हो, program को compile करते समय आपको .java फाइल को एक्सेस करना है जो आपने सेव किया है. इसलिए जब आपने program को compile किया तो क्या दिया आपने? Java C and then file name. What I am writing here? File name I am giving here. File name is what? is the Java program by which name you have saved this file. That's what file name we need to give. So at the time of compilation, what we have given is the Java C, and then I am writing here hello.java. I am giving, this is the particular file name which I have given for just for the compilation of a program. In order to compile this program, we have given it well enough and all that well here. Next one into this. What is the next again I'm going to do into this? After doing this, what next as I'm going to do? I'm just going to run the program. Well, I'm going to run the program, so I'm writing Java C, or not only Java I'm writing, and Java after that we wanted to give here the class file name by which file has been generated. So the class file name in the sense here what the hello.class has been created, what hello.class we are generating into that, I'm talking about that. So here also I have given Java hello in this I have given it. See what output you are getting. You are able to get the output. Now you wanted to see the internal processes while what all different modules from the Java 9 it is being included. Again repeatedly I am repeating Java 9 and module concepts because it is a lots of difference it is making in compared to the previous versions, like you can say Java 7, Java 8 and other versions of Java in compared to Java 9. Now you see here, this much big heavy code you are getting, lots of code options you are getting into this, right? When you are getting these lots of code you can say, and especially what output which you are going to get here is the hello main in hello, as well as what you are going to get is the welcome to the JTC. You are going to get these two outputs. So welcome or something you are getting main in hello, and then you are getting welcome to the JTC. So this two particular output you are getting, right? You can see this output. Okay. When you are getting this output, so see what all number of steps it is doing internally. In further classes, I'll be discussing again about all these different options and all other things. What exactly again all these things are. Well, once after doing the compilation as well as running the program, so now we know how to compile the program as well as how to run the program. Fine. Now, I have some question at present. What question I have is, some questions which I'm going to have is, see, many of you might be having the same question. The question is, what is our output? Why we have written the program? My question is, see, my question, what all different options and as well as the questions as I have into this, that what all different, why we have written this program. Especially we have written this program to get these two outputs. One is main in hello and second one is the welcome to the JTC. This is the two output which we wanted to get. Correct? हमारा यही दो आउटपुट था. अब एक बात और है, सिंस जब आप नए हो आज की डेट में, जब आप जावा पढ़ रहे हो पहला क्लास, ठीक है, ये हम लोग टिल जावा 8 तक की बात कर रहे हैं. किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? जावा 8 तक की बात कर रहे हैं. तो जावा 8 तक जब भी हम पढ़ रहे हैं, सो इन दिस ऑल्सो आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन इज that just in order to display these two lines of output, why do I write this big code, a class, main method, curly braces and all n number of options? Why do I write this class, main method, closing braces, again at the end semicolon we are giving these all things? Suppose what will happen if you miss any curly braces? What will happen if you miss any statement enclosing semicolons? What is going to happen actually? What will happen in that case? What is going to happen if you will do something like this? Isn't it? क्या होगा? तो वो डेफिनेटली है कि वो एरर देगा. क्या देगा? वो error dega, something error we are going to get into this. Well, when we are going to get these different errors, different options, and all n number of things which we are going to get it into this, we are going to get all that errors and n number of other things which we are going to get. Again, my question is that what is this class? What is this? What is class? At present, if you are asking this question that what is the class, your question is right, that I should explain what is class. But at present, as we all are at the beginning stage, so even if I'll explain what is class, it will be a bit difficult to understand. So, okay, I'm just asking at present question. Now, if my next question is what is public, what is static, what is void, what is main, what is string args, what is this array, number of options we can ask, number of questions. So being a Java trainer at the first class, answering these all questions is a very, very difficult thing, right? And nowadays, if you will see the other programming languages like Python and all, so in order to get the simple output, you need not to write this much big code. You know well, if you are aware with the Python. So in Java, why all these things are required? That's the question. In Java, why all these things are required? So from Java 9, one concept is introduced which we will call Jshell. What we will call it as an Jshell. So now I am going to discuss Jshell, what exactly Jshell is. So I'll come to this class programs and all other things just after this itself. So first we are talking about the Jshell. What exactly Jshell is? Let's say I'm just removing all these things here. Well, in that what I wanted to do in this here, suppose you have opened your command prompt. So well, I am closing this command prompt at present. And now I am opening my command prompt here. This is the command prompt which I have opened. Fine. If I am opening my command prompt and into this command prompt, I am writing here, see that Jshell, Jshell. This is the Jshell which I am writing. Make sure that JDK 1.9 is installed in your system and you did everything whatever is required for that. So what you have written is that welcome to something Jshell, introduction to the something we are getting it into this, right? Now you see here, I wanted to write or I just wanted to display one message on the console. Here I am writing system.out.println. Into this now I am writing that is welcome to JTC. Welcome to something called as JTC. Here intro to Jshell from Java 9. I have written one simple statement. Now you see the output of this. We are seeing here some output of this one, right? We have just got some output into this. Now, what you have to understand into this, that at the last, we have not given any semicolon. Remember it. Just before a while, you were having a number of questions. The number of questions was, why do we need a class? Why do we need a main method? All these questions we will see in further classes. But at present, we don't need that. And now, see, in order to write a simple program, you just don't need to write that much big code. Right? So what is Jshell? What is the need of Jshell? Now, you might be knowing what exactly scripting language is and what exactly programming language is. Well, I'm not going into that. What is the scripting language and what is the programming language? I'm not going into that discussion at present. At present, I'm not going into that. But you see here in this Jshell, shell programming, you can say that we don't need to compile it. We don't need to run it separately. We don't need to do all that. We are just writing a simple set of outputs and we are getting the output. We are just writing a simple lines and we are getting the output, right?